Today we'll explore one of the hottest topics, open kitchens. It's not only a trend, but also a way to make even a small apartment feel more spacious and cozy. But is it worth removing the wall? Discover the unexpected benefits, design secrets, and top color combinations for 2025 that you can incorporate into your home. Many people think that open kitchens are reserved for large homes. But even in a 20 square meter studio apartment, a kitchen by the bed can look stylish. The key is to zone the space. Use colors, beige and creamy yellow in the kitchen, and a deep red accent in the living area. This will make the space feel like a designer space, not like one room with a stove. A bar counter isn't just beautiful. It replaces a wall, creates a breakfast area, and doubles as a work surface. But if you frequently entertain, it's better to choose a compact table for 2 to 3 people near a window. Tip: avoid placing both in a small apartment. It'll overload the space. The ideal rule for an open kitchen is a maximum of 3 chairs. This maintains a sense of spaciousness and prevents the kitchen from turning into a dining room. Even if you enjoy company, designers advise investing in a comfortable sofa in the sitting area rather than extra chairs near the kitchen. You know what many people don't think about? Light. When you remove a wall, natural light from the living room or bedroom floods into the kitchen. Even a dark kitchen with black cabinets begins to look light and expensive. You also have the opportunity to install a panoramic mirror or glossy surfaces, which will double the space. The top trends are deep red, oxblood, creamy yellow, butter yellow, and earthy beige. Add white and a touch of black, and your kitchen will look as good as it does in a magazine. These colors work great in small spaces because they create depth and contrast. So, do you really need an open kitchen? If you love space, light, and modern style, the answer is definitely yes. If you're concerned about odors, a good range hood is the answer. Remember, design shouldn't just be beautiful, but also comfortable for your life. Subscribe. We have many more videos with real-life secrets you can apply right at home. This is just the beginning. Many more creative home ideas are coming soon. Hit subscribe and be the first to see them.